bathroom.
Yeah, get back. What are you all doing here? How did you make it past the checkpoint? If you're a resident of Dead Creek or simply passing through, I regret to inform you there has been a serious incident regarding a nearby facility. Okay, the town is under quarantine. Now I must know if any of you have drunk from the water supply in this area. This is incredibly important. For those of you that have, I must ask you to keep a close eye on these individuals and look out for any symptoms of the virus. These are severe fever, coughing up blood, signs of neurological distress, incoherent speech, complete loss of all motor and mental function. It is imperative you do not come into contact with any of these infected individuals. Okay? The experiments we've performed so far have been unsuccessful, so as it stands, there is no cure. My colleagues have gone and I'm the only one left, so unfortunately I cannot let you leave without being decontaminated, and the only way is forward, okay? Now there is a decontamination checkpoint at the end of this walkway. You must make your way there as safely as possible to ensure that you survive. However, I do fear for some of you might already be too late. Now come on, go on. Come on, faster, faster, come on. Go. Okay, come on. Now go! Go faster, go on! Keep moving, go!
Yeah, please. What are you doing? You need to get out while there's no chance. Please, please. You need to get out. The voices, they're in my head. You need to get out while you can, please, because this town is under quarantine. Where's my family? No, no, you need to get out while you can, because otherwise you're going to end up like them too. Please, get out while you can, please. Please, you only want to go that way. You need to try and go. Please, rather than... Oh. Hey, my arm. Look! Look! They're always here, why? How wonderful. And it's such early stages of the infection. The bad news is you will end up like my friends here, and I cannot let you leave. You can try, and the exit is that way. But my friends will stop you in the most painful way imaginable. Now go! Run, little piggy, go! Jesus.